Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we'll solve sums from class 10 NCERT textbook, chapter surface areas and volumes, exercise 12.1, question 7 and question 8. The question is, a tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and diameter of the cylinder are 2.1 meter and 4 meters respectively, and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meters, find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also, find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per square meter. Note that the base of the tent is not covered with canvas. So here the tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a cone. It's a cylinder. The tent is form of a cylinder. It is surmounted by a cone like this. And the base is not covered with canvas. It's not covered with canvas. The base. So we got to find out the area of the canvas used. So the area of the canvas used will be equal to the CSA of the cylinder and the CSA of the, CSA of the cone and the CSA of the cylinder. Now first we'll find out the CSA of the cone. So first radius of cone is equal to, this is the diameter. So 4 by 2, that's equal to 2 meters. Now slant height of cone. Slant height L is equal to 2.8 meters. Now the curved surface area of the cone, that is CSA of cone, is equal to pi RL. That's equal to 22 by 7 into 2 into 2.8. That's equal to 123.2 by 7 meter square. The CSA of the cone is 123.2 by 7 square meters. Now coming to the cylinder. Radius of cylinder R is also 2 meters. Height of cylinder H equal to 2.1 meters. CSA of cylinder CSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. That's equal to 2 into 22/7 into R. R is 2 into H. H is 2.1. That will be equal to 184.8 by 7 meters square. Now we have found the CSA of the cone and the CS of cylinder. If we add these two, we'll get the area of the canvas required. The area of canvas needed is equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder. That's equal to 123.2 by 7 plus 184.8 by 7. That's equal to, they are like fractions, only you can add you'll get 308 by 7. That's equal to 44 meters square. So the area of canvas required to make the tent is 44 meters square. Now we have to find out the cost of canvas. Now the rate of canvas equal to rate of canvas is rupees 500 per square meter. So 1 square meter it costs rupees 500. We have to find the cost for 44 square meters. Therefore, the cost of canvas needed equal to rupees 500 into 44. That's equal to rupees . 22,000. So the cost of canvas required to make the tent is rupees 22,000. The sum is from a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeters and diameter 1.4 centimeters, a conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. So here you got a cylinder. It was solid cylinder from which they have taken out a conical cavity has been removed out from this cylinder. Now we have to find out the total surface area of the remaining solid. So this solid's surface area means what? The CSA of the cone plus CSA of the cylinder plus area of the base of the cylinder. So first we'll find out the CSA of the cone. So radius of the cone, R equal to 1.4 divided by 2. 1.4 divided by 2. So what we get? 0.7. Now the height of cone, h equal to 2.4. To find the CSA of the cone, we require the slant height L. So by using the radius and the height, we have to calculate the slant height. So L square is equal to h square plus r square. H square plus r square. So L square is equal to, what is h? 2.4 square. 2.4 square plus 0.7 square. So L square is equal to 5.76 plus 0.49. So L square is equal to 6.25. So L is equal to root of 6.25. So L will be equal to 2.5 centimeters. 2.5 centimeters. So the slant height of the cone is 2.5 centimeters. By using the slant height, you have to find out the CSA of the cone. Now CSA of cone is equal to pi RL. That's equal to 22 by 7 into R, 0.7 into L, 2.5. So we'll get 38.5 by 7 centimeter square. This is the CSC of the cone. Now coming to the cylinder. Radius of cylinder R equal to this also 1.4 by 2, 0.7 centimeters. Height of cylinder H equal to 2.4 centimeters. So CSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. That's equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.7 into 2.4. That's equal to 73.92 by 7 centimeter square. So the curved surface area of the cylinder has been found here. Now we have to find out the area of the base of the cylinder. Area of the base of cylinder. The base is in the form of a circle. So pi r square. That's equal to 22 by 7 into 0.7 into 0.7. That's equal to 10.78 by 7 centimeters square. Now we have found the CSA of the cylinder, CSA of the cone, and the area of the base. We have to add all these to get the surface area of the solid. Surface area of the remaining solid is equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder plus area of the base. Area of the base. That's equal to 38.5 by 7 plus 73.92 by 7 plus 10.78 by 7. They are all like fractions, so only you can add the top part. You will get 123.2 by 7. That's equal to 17.6 centimeter square. So we have to find the answer to the nearest centimeters. So it is 17.6. It can be written as 18 centimeter square. This is the area of the remaining solid. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.